Okay, lift it another 2 meters. Watch the tilt angle on the starboard side.
You have a good angle on the chains.
Okay, lift another 2 feet. Watch that undercarriage.
Straps are secure on my end.
All right, let's initiate the lift sequence. Keep the tension steady. A little to the right. Hold it there, hold it. Now bring it down. As you can see, the tread depth here is completely gone. We're looking at severe dry rot along the sidewall.
The structural degradation around the boom pivot is severe. We'll need specialized equipment for extraction.
Noted. The chassis looks equally unstable.
Okay, pull it back slowly now. Got it on this side. Watch the glass up here.
Okay, the torque setting is right here. Make sure it clicks 3 times.
All right, applying pressure now. And the last one. Looks good.
Okay, apply the torque wrench now. It should be 7 to 5 pounds per square inch.
All right, it's moving now, just as the manual described.
See this groove here? The spring goes in first.
Like this.
Perfect. Now tighten it down.
Pressure schematic shows the setting right here.
All right, let's check the caliper tolerance against this specification.
Watch the bundle on the left. It's clear. Keep going. Almost there. Bring it closer to the mount.
Easy now, clear on the left side. Okay, bringing it down into the barrel. Hold it there.
Looks aligned. Lower it another 2 feet.
Check the tolerances here on the lower bearing.
Noted. Looks like we need to order a replacement seal kit. Pass me the red connector, the small gauge one.
This one? It goes into the auxiliary panel, right?
Yeah, position 4.
Watch the wiring harness when I start the drill.
Yeah, I'm holding it clear. Go ahead.
Hit it again, right on the mark.
It's coming loose now.
Let's check the hydraulics on this side.
Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment.
Pressure is holding steady right at the limit.
We're still getting a fluctuation right here.
Let me try calibrating the secondary valve.
Keep it coming down slowly, almost there.
Roger that. Pressure looks good. Making a note now.
All clear. You're good to go. All right, moving out.
it. Bring her forward slowly now. Watch the clearance on the right side.
Roger that. Steady as she goes.